Hi everyone. In this series, we will explore the life stories of famous people from around the world, such as Queen Elizabeth II, Albert Einstein, Nelson Mandela, Michael Jackson, and so on. You can learn about their life stories in just a few minutes while also improving your English listening and reading skills. Let's dive into the Learn English Through Stories series now. Sabrina Carpenter. Sabrina Carpenter is an accomplished American pop singer and actress, celebrated for her contributions to both music and television. Born on May 11, 1999, in Quakertown, Pennsylvania, she was raised in a family with a rich artistic background. Her mother, Elizabeth, was a dancer. Her father, David, had musical inclinations and played in a garage band. Sabrina's early exposure to the arts led her to start dancing at the age of 2 and taking vocal lessons by age 6. She grew up listening to iconic artists like Stevie Nicks, Dolly Parton, and Carole King. Christina Aguilera is one of the artists she cites as a significant influence. Early career. Sabrina's foray into entertainment began with her participation in a singing contest called the Next Miley Cyrus Project in 2009. She finished in 3rd place. This exposure opened doors for her, leading to her first acting role in an episode of Law and Order: Special Victims Unit in 2011. She continued to land roles in various projects, including the TV movie Gulliver Quinn. She also had a voiceover role in the animated series Sophia the First. Her breakthrough came in 2014 when she was cast as Maya Hart in the Disney Channel series Girl Meets World, a reboot of the beloved series Boy Meets World. The show ran for 3 seasons and allowed Carpenter to showcase her acting skills while also transitioning into music. Music career. Sabrina signed her first record deal with Hollywood Records at the age of 12. She released her debut album, Eyes Wide Open, in 2015, which included singles like Can't Blame a Girl for Trying. This was followed by Evolution, 2016, Singular Act 1, 2018, and Singular Act 2, 2019. While these early albums were well received, Carpenter felt a disconnect from them as she evolved personally and artistically. In 2021, she made a significant change by signing with Island Records. This move marked a new chapter in her career, allowing her to explore her artistic identity more freely. Her single, Skin, released in February 2021, entered the Billboard Hot 100, peaking at number 48. This song was rumored to be a response to Olivia Rodrigo's hit, Driver's License. It also involved their mutual connection to actor Joshua Bassett. In July 2022, Carpenter released her 5th studio album, Emails I Can't Send. The album was inspired by her personal life, including family struggles. She described the title track as a reflection of her experiences. She stated, "I am a daddy's girl, but my family has just gone through so much that now we're all in a healing stage." Recent success and Grammy wins. Carpenter's 2024 album Short and Sweet propelled her to new heights. It featured hit singles Espresso and Please Please Please, both of which became chart toppers. Please 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 marked her first #1 single on the Billboard Hot 100. Meanwhile, Espresso showcased her ability to blend catchy melodies with relatable themes. The album was a commercial success, debuting at #1 on the Billboard 200 and later being certified platinum. At the 2025 Grammy Awards, Carpenter received nominations in all 4 major categories. These categories included Album of the Year and Song of the Year. She won 2 Grammys, Best Pop Solo Performance for Espresso, and Best Pop Vocal Album for Short and Sweet. During her acceptance speech, she expressed immense gratitude to her family and fans, highlighting the personal significance of her music. Acting career and Broadway. In addition to her music career, Carpenter has continued to pursue acting. Her notable film roles include The Hate U Give, 2018, Tall Girl, 2019, and its sequel, Tall Girl 2, 2022. She also starred in Work It, 2020, and Emergency, 2022. In March 2020, she made her Broadway debut as Katie Heron in the musical Mean Girls. However, the show was short-lived due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Personal life and relationships. Throughout her career, Carpenter's personal life has garnered media attention. She has been linked to several high-profile relationships, including actor Joshua Bassett and musician Shawn Mendes. Most recently, she dated actor Barry Keoghan. They were rumored to be in a relationship from December 2023 until late 2024. Their relationship included public appearances at award shows and events, adding to Carpenter's popularity. Net worth and brand collaborations. As of 2025, Sabrina Carpenter's net worth is estimated at around $12 million. She has built her fortune through her successful acting and music careers. Additionally, she has become a brand ambassador for Prada Beauty. She also collaborated with Dunkin', promoting a special coffee drink inspired by her hit song, Espresso. Artistic philosophy. Carpenter has often spoken about the importance of authenticity in her work. She believes that music should reflect honesty and personal experiences. She stated, "I feel a lot freer and more excited about what I'm making now because I've realized that genre isn't necessarily the most important thing." Her willingness to evolve artistically resonates with her fans, making her a relatable figure in the entertainment industry. Sabrina Carpenter continues to grow as an artist and actress. She draws from her experiences to inspire her work and connect with her audience on a deeper level.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.